GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about corn against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you will find some links. It says Swing Like Pro. So click on that link, Swing Like a Pro. Come to this page right here where you can watch my recent setups and trades, and you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. Coming back here, you have one more link which says book consultations. So if you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can book consultation right here, and you can join this my free Telegram all the time. So go and join free Telegram for sure. Consultation right here and join this program if you want to trade with me. Then let's get back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA, as you can see, forming the wick candle here. So in GBPUSD, we have formed the upper wick, or sorry, lower wick, which means buyers came in and took over control. But anyways, the trend is up in weekly and daily is as well. So daily price is above the EMA, and 4-hour as well. We are well above the EMA. So price is trading above the EMA in all higher time frames, 4-hour, daily and weekly. So you need to look for longs after each pullback in 4-hour. That's as per the definition. Okay. So I'll go with the definition in free analysis. That's all you get. So 4-hour, daily, weekly, all are in uptrend in GBPUSD. In 4-hour, look for longs after pullback. However, reality and real-time trading is different. So if you want to enter and exit with me, join this program to get live trades, live setup, live guidance, live mentorship. If you are really serious about making money online, check out these things. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.